Hello and welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. In today's video, I want to give you a quick update about the Fed decision from yesterday about the interest rate. We also want to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, the whole crypto market, and of course, we want to take a look at the whole financial market. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into the chart. Here we start at the Bitcoin chart on the daily. So as we talked about it, we formed this big falling wedge, broke out of it, and now we are back into this falling wedge. And it's still possible that we are forming a huge W. So this is still valid. So we have to have an eye on it. If we go on the hourly chart, see this one. So yesterday we talked about various chart patterns. We talked about a bull flag that formed. We also talked about, I'll show you here the bull flag. So also we talked about a head and shoulders pattern or inverse head and shoulders pattern like this, but this one is definitely invalid. Also, I guess the bull flag is invalid right now. Also, we talked about a potential cup and handle pattern like this, but after the price action, this is also invalid. So what can we see now? Another chart pattern we can see is a rising wedge. Let's do this purple and the resistance line. Let's take it from here. So actually this one broke out with a nice little pump as soon as right before the Fed decision. And as soon as Powell speaks, the market goes down and crash. So right now we are down 4%, at the top 6.5%. So what is the target of this rising wedge? The target is always the bottom of it, so it's around our low at 32.8k. We started this low here 3 days ago. So yeah, we have to look if this one would play out. If it plays out, then it would be right from the breakout around 13%. So if you want to trade this, or if you already started trading with leverage, but just for experienced traders, this could be a very, very juicy trade. if you want to trade this, you can do this. Where is it? Here. You can do this on Phemex or Bybit, but only for experienced traders, because it's very, very risky to trade with leverage. If you want to trade, you can of course use my affiliate links, but no financial advice at this point. Always do your own research. Okay, go back to the chart. If you look at Ethereum, so we formed here also kind of a rising wedge, breakout to the upside, now breakout to the downside. So this was also yesterday, as soon as power starts to speak. We've seen a big correction from this top. Oh, damn it. To the low around 13% already. If this plays out, so actually the bottom would be around $2,300. This was only a fake out. So yeah, we have to look in the next hours and days what will happen. If we look at the S&P 500, here you can see we had formed a very nice little uptrend. But actually, again, what I wonder around this time, after, yeah, the Fed, no, this was here. So we dumped again, broke the support line. Maybe it's possible that we go back to this point here and retest it. Yeah, we will see. We will see. So actually, what does the Fed says? The Fed says it's likely to hike rates in March as Powell's voice sustained inflation fight. He also talked about a possible military conflict between Russia, Ukraine, USA. Yeah, actually he talked a lot, but actually he says nothing. So right now we are still at the 0.25% rate, but it's possible that it hikes in March. But we have no clue in which direction, what actually will happen. Maybe this is the problem why the market crashed again or dumped, because nobody knows exactly in which way it will go. If you haven't done it already, please do me a favor, go to my channel, please subscribe to it. Yeah, hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of my new videos. Also follow me on my social media accounts, here on Twitter. Here I post a lot of stuff. Also you can check out my new video on TikTok, Beginner Traders Be Like, quite funny. Or go directly to my TikTok account. So I guess that's it for today. Maybe I will do another video later. So as always, this is no financial advice. Always do your own research, your own due diligence, and never trust anybody except yourself. You know it? Because it's your money. So to wrap this up, here is my intro, outro, nice little video. yet. I have to learn this. So, here's the video. Peace out for today.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud, you can have me douse, know what I'm about.